Portable, powerful, and instant. Crafted with quality and the idea of protecting your special ones. Nowadays, people are better aware of the harm germs can cause to our health. People realize the importance of disinfecting items we touch and use every day. And to secure ourselves and our beloved ones during the invisible encounters, we created Sterly, a powerful and portable UVC torch designed to be an all-in-one solution for your everyday needs. Whatever you do, Sterly is here to help and make sure you are safe. How does it work? With UVC, a special UV light that is invisible to the naked eye, but is deadly to microorganisms. Compacted with 60 milliwatt LED, you only need 5 to 10 seconds to disinfect 99.9% of microbes.
I use Sterly during my business trips. It's incredibly convenient, so I always carry it around in my pocket.
I really like Sterly because it's multifunctional. It can clean all kinds of household items, from sterilizing my toothbrush to my keys, phones, keyboards. It can even kill the odor from dirty slippers. I just hate the cheap smell of disinfectants. Sterly solves this problem.
My children is my priority, so when it comes to their health, I know what's best. Sterly doesn't leave any chemicals on their bottles.
Our prototype is ready and tested, and received positive feedback. The factories are ready to make the first batch of Sterly UVC torches. All we need now is your backing and to order and deliver it to the world. Need more information? Check our product description on Kickstarter and hit us up with any questions. We'll be glad to share with you all information we have. Let's join our forces and make this world a better place. Together with Sterly.